Hello friends, I'm Sanket. Our today's topic is Introduction to iOS. So now let's start with iOS. So now first thing, what is the iOS? So see, the simple definition of the iOS is, iOS is an operating system of the iPhone, iPad and iPod touch device. Now actually there are different devices are provided by Apple. So now here the iOS is an mobile operating system of the, there are mainly three devices: iPhone, iPad and iPod touch. Now next is, there are so many different types of versions are available of the iOS. Same like in Android, you can see the Android ice cream sandwich, Android Oreo, Android Nougat, Android Pie. Same in iOS, there are so many different types of versions are available. So see here, so now first iOS versions was released on 29th June 2007, means 13 year ago. Now actually iOS is a formerly iPhone OS, is a mobile operating system. It's created by developer Apple Inc. Now right now the latest version of the iOS is a 13.5.1. It means it's initially released on 1st June 2020, and the latest preview, it means the beta version of the iOS is 13.6. Now in the beta 3, the initially released on 30 June and 2020, and now our next beta version is 14.0. So now it's a beta 1 and the 22nd June 2020 were released. So now simply iOS is an mobile operating system. It is helped to create or develop the mobile application of the iPhone, iPad and iPod touch. Now in the iOS application development, you have to mention the specific versions according to your Xcode, according to your Mac OS. So now this is iOS. Thank you.